Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to lock your Facebook profile. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to lock your Facebook profile, then I will show you simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Facebook app. In this, you can see here your profile icon. Tap on that. Then you need to tap on this three dot. In right side corner you will find three dot. Tap on this. After that, you can see here lock profile. You have to just tap on this lock profile. Then tap on lock your profile. You can see the confirmation message. You locked your profile. If you are unable to see this lock profile option, then you have to make sure that your professional mode option is turned off. If your professional account is turned on, you will not see lock profile option here. You have to make sure that you need to turn off your professional account. After that, you will find your lock profile, then just proceed to lock it. As you can see, now my Facebook profile is locked, so it is showing to unlock profile. That's it guys. So in this way you can lock your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.